Welcome to Cesare Lamraso, your ultimate guide to mastering crime detection and investigation. In this video, we'll cover essential review questions to enhance your legal knowledge. Crime detection and investigation. 10 review questions, set 3A. Are you ready to test your skills and excel in your exams? Subscribe now for more law-related review content. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple-choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. In this method of shadowing, operatives are stationed at a fixed point assuming that subject followed the same general route each day. A ABC method. B leapfrog method. C combined foot auto surveillance. D none of the above. Sometimes called roping. An investigation technique whereby the operative conceals his true identity and adopts an assumed role to obtain information or accomplish a specific mission. A undercover assignment. B dwelling assignment. C work assignment and social assignment. D personal contact assignment. You are an investigator tasked to investigate a suspected murder case which there is no known suspect, no witnesses nor any other circumstantial evidence, except physical evidence. Where can you get these pieces of evidence that may lead you to the identity of the suspect? A. The crime scene. B. The victim. C. The suspect. D. All of the above. You were an investigator who tries to reconstruct the crime scene. What are the components of the crime scene situation which you would analyze? A. Suspect arrival at the scene and place of entry. B. Movement of suspect from point of entry and his contact with the victim. C. Place of exit. D. All of the above. What is the type of reasoning whereby the collected information is analyzed carefully to develop a theory of the crime? A. Inductive. B. Deductive. C. Systematic. D. Logical. Statement number 1. In the reconstruction of a crime, the investigator rational theory of the crime may begins with deductive logic and later on inductive logic. Statement number 2. A rational theory of crime is more than a learned guess, but less than a certainty, but have very high order of probability. A. Statement number 1 is true while statement number 2 is false. B. Statement number 1 is false while statement number 2 is true. C. Statements number 1 and 2 are both true. D. Statements number 1 and 2 are both false. Statement number 1. In physical of reconstruction, the physical appearance of the crime scene is reconstructed from the description of the witnesses and the indication of the physical evidence. Statement number 2. In mental reconstruction after physical reconstruction, conclusions are made about the consistency of the accounts of the various witnesses. No assumption is made without supporting evidence. A. Statement number 1 is correct. B. Statement number 2 is incorrect. C. Statements number 1 and 2 are both correct. D. Statements number 1 and 2 are both incorrect. After reconstructing the crime scene, the following are the minimal requirements to be observed by the investigator to ensure admissibility of photographs in court. A. The object which is represented should not be immaterial or irrelevant. B. The photograph should not unduly incite prejudice and sympathy. C. The photograph should be free from distortion. D. All of the above. Why does the dead body of the victim of violence needs to be photographed after its removal from the crime scene? A. To have a set of views showing the relationship of the body with the surrounding. B. To identify the victim and have close-up picture of the wounds. C. To provide reserve picture in case of loss or damage. D. All of the above. Photographs to be taken at the scene of the crime. A. Overall and environments photograph. B. Photographs of articles of evidence and photographs of the deceased. C. Photographs of the scene of the crime operatives showing their identity. D. Special techniques photograph of the body after removal. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.